Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a fully accessible suite aboard the Carnival Valor.
Alright, 7228. Fully accessible room. When you come here, this is the doorway. Closet here. And if you need lower racks, you could just take that and bring it down there. And come over this way. You have a closet, a sitting room, no steps. This is your sitting room area. And then you have closets here. They slide. The light vest. Robe. More closet space. Shelves. More closets, shelves and a rod. And these doors are very light. Over here you have shelves. Your plugs. Then a couple of drawers. There's your blow dryer. There's a drawer. Drawer. Oh, that was stuck. We won't use that one. All right. You got your mirror. Don't look at me. And then this room here. Oh, look at this room. Two hooks there on the door. There's your light. And there's your bathroom. Again, no step, even though it says watch your step, it's no step.
There was also a string to pull down right there on the left in between the toilet and the tub in case of emergency. If you needed assistance, just pull that string down.
Jet tub. Shower for the tub, as well as sit-in shower. Lots of towels. And then let's go and see this room. Are you gonna go check out the bathroom? You wanna go out? I'll get the bags. Okay. There's a little stand. Fun times. Water. See that price? $3.75. Don't drink that water. And then here is the sitting area here. There's another shelf with a mirror. What's down here? Two more shelves. Uh-oh, I forgot this one over here. I think that's the refrigerator. Bam. There's your refrigerator. Laundry. Light. It's not working, but it's okay. Oh, they got the DVD player and the VHS. Ancient. There's your TV. And the TV can be turned to watch it on the couch or in the bed. More drawers, drawers, drawers. There's your safe. And there are your beds. Oh. But wait, there's more. Hold that thought. All right. There's your little nightstand.
Right in between the beds, there was actually another pull cord for in case of emergencies.
You also have a TV there for the bed if you wanted to watch that TV or the other one. We got 3 windows in here and the door. And she is backing up. Where are you going? Okay. Out. Again, no step. All the way there. And all the way there. And we can also put these chairs up so that there's more room to get her chair out here. I would be so scared to cross that bridge. Oh my God, look, somebody stuck up. Oh, did they jump? They got the harbor police, Mom. Here, the harbor police out there. If you zoom in there, something happened. Something happened. They got people all up there. What happened?
And here's the final overview of the room aboard the Carnival Valor, room 7228, fully accessible suite. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta for now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.